Welcome back to another video. I'm going to be reacting to Do Not Order Alpha Bird Happy Meal from McDonald's at 3 a.m. This guy's from garten of banban, and I've played the game. Scary. The bird actually appears like when you're like you can see the bird's face on the side of the corner, like it's looking. If you guys seen Markiplier play it and other people play it that you guys know as YouTubers. But when I got to the start, I tried to press this button. All of a sudden, I had to go through this little, like a bench thing where I go to cross, and then all of a sudden I press the button. Like this bird is going across the bench. I'm like, oh bro, who the hell is going this? And then I got jump scared. All right, let's play.
Hello, this is Ron with McDonald's. What do you want? Yo, we got an appeal on the bird doing the bird in a baby.
Okay, I said I was never gonna watch these videos ever again. I kind of regretted it because I get a lot of views from them. But I'm still gonna make fun of this guy for no reason.
Yes, we're actually at the McDonald's right over here, and apparently Garten of Banban actually dropped a new Happy Meal with McDonald's, and it's appeal on the bird.
Let me guess. He's gonna say, "Can I get the Garten of Banban Ollie Bird Happy Meal?" So we don't sell that here.
A McDonald's Happy Meal.
Yeah, that's what I saw. That's what I saw when I saw the bird.
It literally says drive-through, and I'm going inside, and I'm gonna be ordering the appeal of the bird chicken nugget Happy Meal.
That's not a thing. A Happy Meal is.
There's no way they actually did it already.
They're just gonna give you like a regular Happy Meal, and they're insane for saying that.
Hi, can I grab the Opila Bird Chicken Nugget Happy Meal? Yeah,
Dude,
the
he's the one person. He's the one person who would believe everything off YouTube. It's like a 5-year-old believing that a Among Us Happy Meal exists. This is the type of guy that would believe that this type of Happy Meal would exist. This is the type of people that you would see on the internet that thinks everything that exists, but even though they're not, they just say that stuff to the McDonald's employee to get views.
And bad one.
Chicken,
I'll grab a sweet sour sauce.
Chicken, Italian, spicy bacon.
I'll grab a strawberry Fruitopia.
Imagine going to the McDonald's and all of a sudden goes inside the store and sings the Burger King song. All of a sudden you just go, employee, oh, what would you like, sir? Chicken, Italian, spicy bacon.
Ooh, okay, I'll grab the orange one. No, that's all.
I love how they do not acknowledge what he's saying. I'm glad.
Wait, and does this come with a toy, actually? Okay, perfect, thank you.
Why would you ask that?
Yo, guys, it
quit
actually
being
comes
weird
with a
and
toy.
suspicious
I
and
think
shit, bro.
the appeal of the bird is
You're
actually
thinking
gonna be
weird or
inside of
something.
this Happy Meal.
You just made that conversation awkward with her, bro.
Is there
a toy with it?
Happy Meal right now, and then I'm
Yes.
gonna go home and we're gonna be opening it. But guys, I'm actually, oh my god, I'm next in line. Okay, let me put the camera down and actually pay for it. Hi.
Look at her. She's thinking he's weird. Like, he doesn't even have a kid with him. So no wonder. Exactly. That's the face I would make if I was the employee. Did you just zip up your pants?
Guys, let me know in the comments, is she worthy of being my girlfriend or not?
No,
guys?
she does not like you. I don't think she likes you at all. She does not want you, bro. With her weird self, I'm really gonna say, do not order Crow Happy Meal from McDonald's at 3 a.m. Okay. 3 a.m. McDonald's videos, exactly. My favorite. Dude. Alright, guys, I don't think he's ever gonna get a girlfriend with this 3 a.m. shit. He's gonna make his girlfriend as a slave to tell her, you need to join my videos.
Yo, they got some
You put that on
googly, with a smiley face and logo sticking out of it. Do you guys see it? Oh. Okay, I'm sorry, but
He's trying to eat that chicken, man? stop sucking your chicken.
Whoa, yo, we got an appeal on the bird toy for burning a banban.
Shut up.
Whoa, I actually think we gotta talk, but guys, I'm so hungry. I had to eat anything.
I'm not from Ohio. He is. No, he's actually from Oklahoma. Did you guys know that they changed Ohio to Oklahoma? Okay, I need to stop doing this. I'm wasting your guys' time on the video.
Yo, they literally didn't even put fries.
Yes! Finally, finally the lady did that.
I'm
not putting fries because this guy is weird.
My drink is half drank. Somebody literally drank my drink.
This girl's segment now.
There's a little bit of it. Oh my god, guys, I'm calling McDonald's right now and I'm complaining. I'm being in a jailhouse Karen right now. Let me call McDonald's.
666. That's not McDonald's, bro. I think McDonald's is gonna be more disappointed in you if you call them and say, "Hey, can I get a refund?" No, sir. Shut the get off. Stop going to McDonald's and go to Burger King and mess with him. Even Burger King is agreeing that you guys are weird. Even because you haven't even been there, they're saying that right now.
Oh my god, I gotta talk to the manager right now, guys. They literally didn't even put me fries inside of my Happy Meal. Like, there's no fries.
Hello?
Hello? Is this McDonald's?
Hello, this is Ronald McDonald's. What do you want?
Yo, listen up, Ronald McDonald. Listen up carefully. You gave me a garden up banban.
Look at the squeaky toy voice.
I don't even know what's wrong with the chicken nuggets. You probably even ate those too, and the drink is half empty. What did you do?
No, you don't deserve any fries or nuggets, you give.
Ronald,
Okay, kinda. Ronald's right. Ronald's a Chad now, but he still has got that squeaky voice. I don't know where.
Because McDonald's is so trash, just like your face, Ronald McDonald's.
Just like a relationship.
I'll the bird to your house now.
Just like your two parents' relationships.
Please don't have her come. Please don't have her come, guys. He wants to bring Opila the bird to my house.
Yes, please.
Please,
bring that bird
Ronald,
to his house to be his house.
Wendy's isn't better than you. Wendy's is not better than you.
She's coming, better watch out.
Bro just turned into Nico Avocado in 2 seconds and then went back.
Hung up on me, but he said Opila the bird is gonna be coming. But I feel like he didn't even do anything. McDonald's, if you're watching this, put fries inside of my McDonald's Happy Meal next time. But let's see what we got inside of here. Okay, guys, we don't have no fries. Probably.
What would you get if you bred a walrus with a giraffe? A majestic blubber strider.
What?
Probably Opila the bird ate it or something. But wait, what is that? Wait, I see some. What? Why do we have some? Yo, they literally put us some. What is this? They gave us some. I don't know what it's called. It's called some dice. They gave us some dice right over here. Why did they give us dice? Let's see if you could. Ooh, 6.
You probably got a 3.
So creepy. I rolled a
Dude,
6
he probably got a 3
in
and a
the
1, but he
morning,
just hit
I
it.
see some chicken nuggets.
Chicken, Italian stuff. Why is the word so long, bro?
Oh, I hear the nuggets. Okay. Maybe McDonald's
must
me
listen.
some nuggets, and I'm not tripping after all.
Chicken. Spicy Italian
What are
chicken.
these? Yo, guys. What
Perhaps
are
the
these?
employees.
These are chicken nuggets.
How's the bitten?
Opila Bird probably ate my chicken nuggets. She probably
Opila
was like
Bird
this.
is a Chad now.
Nom. Look, guys, she probably ate it all, just like this bird right over. Why'd you eat my nuggets, Opila Bird?
You can make a Chad face without even sucking in that shit.
So bad, they literally put me forbidden nuggets inside of here. I feel like I want to go and get mad at them, but this is what you get for ordering the Happy Meal at 3 in the morning. But if you guys want the Opila Bird toy, I'll literally send it to one of you guys. Just go down there and smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and you might end up getting the Opila Bird Happy Meal.
I don't want
But
it,
what
bro. I
else
just
do we
want a
have?
regular
Hopefully,
Happy Meal.
they
I
put
just
us.
got
Oh wait,
one.
we got another toy. Yo, we got another toy from the Garden of Banban Happy Meal. Wait, is this Jumbo Josh?
It's Joe Mama.
Yo, imagine we got the Jumbo Josh toy as well. Ah! Yo,
What was
is
that, bro?
this?
Did he just cry?
Ew, is that a heart? Yo, it might be a heart for Valentine's Day. It's just a girl heart.
Well, it is
Look at
Valentine's Day,
that.
so
I don't know.
whatever.
Do you guys see that? Good. Ew,
Yes, I would
why did
rather
they put us a girl heart.
You know,
For all the
what I would
girls
do with that would
watching
give it
this,
to my
you guys
sister,
want
and
it from
afterwards I would
me.
take it back and
I'll
I would
give you a
destroy
little
it.
Valentine's
I'm just kidding.
present.
I would let her keep it.
But I'm gonna save this for you guys if you guys really want
Chicken,
it. But what else do we have? Hopefully
chicken,
we got
Italian
something.
spicy bacon,
Wait,
chicken.
why did they put us Moondrop? This looks like Moondrop. They put us a moon. Hey, this is weird. I don't
Stop
know why
talking
they
about
put that
Freddy
inside of
Fazbear's
here, but
Pizza.
What else do we have? We have a yo. We have a
I'm
yogurt.
insecure.
I can't eat yogurt because I'm lactose intolerant.
Yeah, still
I
eat it.
hate this Happy Meal, and that's all they put inside of here.
How
And
many
they literally
people
put
are
us a
lactose
half
intolerant? Like
freaking
2%?
drink. Yo, what if this is actually the potion? Because the potion usually comes with a little bit inside of it. And guys, like, I don't know, I can't show you this, but
Bro,
there's
there's like,
inside of here.
why
There's
is
a
there
little bit
Jesus
of
in
it.
there, bro? Why is
Should I
there
try
so
and
much
drink it? What if I
light?
turn into
It's like he put
Opie
the
little
brightest
bird?
flashlight
Oh,
in
there's
there.
no way I'm gonna turn into
Hey, bro,
this
look at this
bird
bright.
right
Why is
over
it so
here.
bright? I don't know. He's fucking
I'm not gonna lie, this toy is so annoying. If you guys want it, I'll literally send
You're
it to one of
annoying,
you guys.
bro.
I
You
feel like
sound
I can
just like
scare
that
so many
chicken.
people with this Opila bird
not
toy
Opila,
right
bro.
over here. It looks like a
Chicken.
chicken, but isn't she a bird? I don't really understand, but she looks exactly the same, guys.
No,
Look,
they
it looks
don't.
exactly
One of them looks
like
goofy,
Opila
one of
the
them looks
bird right over
terrifying.
here. And yeah, it's like squishy. It makes that noise. So if you guys want it, comment
maybe
down
I
below
think
if you
I'm
guys want the
annoying, he's
Opila bird
annoying.
toy, and I'll literally send
That's
it
in the
to one
comments.
of
Is
you
he
guys.
annoying
And
or I'm
also make
annoying?
sure you guys are subscribed. I got you. But now let's actually just drink this drink right
He's
over
a
here.
little weird guy.
Hopefully it's not the potion. Here goes nothing.
Let me guess, it's gonna become a potion. Why is there Jesus in there? In the cup anyways.
It tastes like bird poop. Ew.
No, that
Yo,
was so
it might be
annoying.
the potion. Yo, maybe that's why Ronald McDonald was acting up. Yo,
Acting up? What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? Did he release his substance?
I
Did he
drank
just
it all,
spit
guys.
it out?
I don't know. Am I gonna turn into a peel of the bird? No, why am I?
Dude,
no,
you sound like a
don't tell
fucking
me.
dog.
Don't tell me.
What is it? The fuck?
Let me set the camera on a tripod outside and I'll see if I turn into. Oh my god! Yo, I feel like I'm turning into.
Bro, is this guy okay?
So big.
Goofy on my. Please shut up.
Wow, this is so cool. I'm literally a
People,
bird.
the
I
bird
got
doesn't
wings.
even speak. He just goes
Look
like
at
this.
my wings.
Please be quiet.
I feel like going to eat so many people right now. I'm so hungry.
You said you want to eat so much
Whoa,
people?
I'm literally so hungry. Oh my god.
Eat your
I'm
chicken
literally
legs.
so hungry.
Eat a chicken or something. I mean, you're a chicken yourself, but still. Stop.